Cool, very cool weapon. And very good for parries in case. Okay, Lilip and Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff looks like a mix between Zelda, of The Legend of Zelda, and Kirby. Neo! Okay. In normal we deal way more damage. Okay. Cool die protect. You should die. Godo. Godo forte. Is grass rock in theory. Spring tango. Clear and fast attack. Yeah, no, in fact, if it's your first From Software game and you play Neo that doesn't have the parries, it's a pain in the ass. Also, Dark Souls 3 has a pretty hard start, honestly. It doesn't have the most friendly begin English. One-shotted. He's weak to dark. I bite you as well, and hypnosis on him. Didn't she have Scyther? Guess it's something in the family. What would I expect from my sister? You know my sister? Of course, even the walls of Tarlega know about her. Alrighty, who's up next? I'm raring to go. Honestly, Karin Wool. She looks like the kind of farm girl that you probably don't see in real life, but you know in anime, that farm girl that even when she's covered in mud and shit, she looks super cute as fuck. Wool. Managed to defeat Karin too, though just by the skin of their teeth. Hehe, I'm better. No, I'm kidding. You're just incredible. Push me right to my limit. Alright, you're clear to head on the second stratum. And now if you don't mind, I'm gonna catch some shut-eye. Current level cap 30. Possible to catch foe from the first stratum. So this is the place. It's even more incredible than I imagined. Yep. From here on out, we're stepping into the real labyrinth. Aren't we outside though? Like, we are in the Yggdrasil tree, but it looks like we're outside. That's cool. Alert, alert, seismic activity detected. How do you... She's a robot, she told you. Another earthquake? Is everyone alright? Nothing's broken. 8 stratum. Is that a legendary Pokémon that was drawn in the thingy? A temple in a place like this? Let's scout the area properly, just don't touch anything. We should warn the guild and get back up first. As always. What in the devil? Well, Amy, thanks for leading me here. Are his eyes different? Did he got possessed when you read this thing, or is he evil always? What? But you're useless to me now. I knew there was a mole, but oh no, it was already evil. I don't know who you really are, but I'm not allowing you to get any further. Go, Blasi! Anyway, before I ease you from existence, any clue on where the prince might be hiding? Oh, absolutely. I keep him right here in my pocket. Want to check? Whoops! Must have dropped him on the way here. My bad. Why, you insolent little Nix. I'm sorry to put this burden onto you, but I know you're strong enough to carry it. I trust you, I always have. Our prison shattered and so will the Yggdrasil, so he's a Pokémon. Did he kill her? What? Our sister dies? What the fuck? Wait, what? That's the first time a character dies. Like, I didn't play a lot of Romax, but that's the first time I see a main character, like the sister of the protagonist, dying on screen. That's cool. Oh, I could have checked what regional form there are up there. That's so cool! So this is the second stratum. Affirmative. Second stratum, Desert of Golgonda. 99% arid wasteland, extremely low survivability rate for humans. Just one thing, we're under the Yggdrasil, right? Then why does it feel like we're outside? That's what I wondered. That it's so silly, like it's so simple, that obviously if you are inside something but you look like outside, the player will wonder that, and so the character should wonder that. But a lot of games, especially AAA games, fail to this simple thing. Like really the character doesn't wonder why the fuck does it look like we're outside. So it is a very simple and silly thing, but when it happens in a game, it shows that there is actually attention to detail. Like, it's not when it happens to a game. When you wonder something, and right after the game the main character wonder the same thing, it means the story is written decently. At least when it comes to the main character asking themselves questions. The world tree lights up all the strata using its own energy. No, not exactly sunlight, but close enough. Okay, Elden Ring. Excuse me, make way. Oh sure, my bad. Who the fuck are you? Why does it look familiar? Ethan, backpack is open. Oh, thanks, let me... My medallion, it's gone. He stole it, of course. He's one of the thieves. Ethan's crucial item, stolen. Mission, retrieval. That's not an easy Romak. Cool. That's so cool. What the fuck is that? A Power Ranger? That's not a Shin Megami Tensei style design. Maybe a level 5, a Yokai Watch kind of design. Looks very, very cool. Not a Pokemon design at all. Not a Pokemon design, absolutely. But it's so cool. Probably still psychic, I'd say. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes, baby. Did you find some treasure, perhaps? No, because the treasures are the friend we made along the way, and a lot of money that I found around. Keigo. Baltoy and Sandrew. Oh right, I've seen Sandrew Regional. That's cool though, that's very, very cool. Probably a rock. Doesn't affect Sandrew, fantastic. Mega Draining, if he's rock or ground, it should be effective. And you need to chill. You need to chill as quickly as possible. It changed to rock type. What? Acid, nice. That's problematic. Unkill. Okay. Dead. A crit also, just to bully me. Let's try to kill him taking time with Moonlight. Very good. Very good. Oh! Okay. Lucky me. Obviously. Every time in a Pokemon game you reach a point where there is nothing but a rock. Oh! It looks like he's middle fingering you with the end. But it looks so cool! I can't wait to see the evolution. Freddy Krueger, since he dealt with children. Freddy dealt with children in a different way, but yes, they. He's so cool! Holy shit! He looks like a legendary. Thank you. At least I killed one. Why is Noctol fascist? No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. Please give me Ponyta. Tangela? Is that Dark Poison or Ghost Poison? Nickname, it's an horror. It's a thingy from D&D. Spaghetti pizza. People that don't see this part of the stream and will see maybe the future stream and see that I call the Pokemon Spaghetti Pizza, they will be like, why? Why is your Pokemon called Spaghetti Pizza? You stupid. Grass Ghost? That's a weird typing.